this case. Give me some clips. I'm along with you, yeah. Boys, we're gonna clap out with the sniper rifle. Ooh, watch this, boys. Watch this BMM clan. You already know. I'm gonna hit some sick no scopes. I mean, quick scopes. No scopes like don't work in this game. Get clapped. Oh, get clapped. You're not even good, kid. Ooh. Ooh. I got the moves. I got the back moves. I know you're getting moves. Ooh, I see him. Clapped. Can't touch this kid. Ooh. Where y'all running? Ooh. Can't touch this. Ooh. How did I miss that? Ooh. Fuck. We could just cut that part out. Or we could just, like, show full games. I don't know yet.
So this is just gonna be the montage. So just, boom.
Or just cut this.
Later on we can do this full game. It's like both of us.
Oh, yeah, that'd be cool. Watch this guy's picking.
See, if I kill you, you must subscribe to my YouTube channel.
You guys can challenge me in the comment section.
You challenge me, put in a private game. You know?
54 damage, he doesn't die. Yeah, let me switch my class. I'm gonna be Trigger Man.
This is just gonna be like this is just gonna be a montage. Can cut it. Oh, he's becoming the new you.
Well then. Well, I'm sorry I had to do it to him.
You have a sweat on him.
I'm sorry, but I have to do it to him.
The people who do that and like run and shift, run, jump, and shift. Oh, sweats with that.
He's becoming too powerful. I had to do it to him. I had to do it to him. Sorry, boys. I just had to do it to him.
You just had to do it to him.
Oh, he actually sniped that time. Sorry. Sorry, you can't kill me. I just have to do it to you, bro.
Sorry, bro. I have to.
Sorry, bro. I had to do it to you.
They were trying to beat you.
So I had to do it to you.
You called him He called Gut Fam.
What?
What did Gut Fam ever do to you? You need to call him that.
I'm just destroying everyone. Oh my god. He called Gut Fam on that distant.
Look, what did Gut Fam do?
What did Gut Fam even do?
Why is he not even talking to you? You're the one clapping everyone right now.
I'm destroying everyone.
You didn't even care that in the coast you can just. Oh, Gut Fam's coming out.
He's called Gut Fam on a distant mark. Bruh. He's trying to copy me.
He's just trying. Gut Fam's just copying.
Exactly. Gut Fam's such a copy boy.
Killed Gut Fam.
PP Gunga. PP McGunga 11 killed Gut Fam.
Called Gut Fam.
Dude, these comment sections are hilarious.
Yo,
this gun low-key fun. It's not.
Shut up, you autistic.
Can I scroll back up? No, I wanted to scroll back up and see. Shut up, you autistic fuck again.
What did he do?
Exactly, what did Gut Fam even do to be called an autistic?
No one asked.
No one asked.